In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jira to N8N. This process is incredibly useful for automating your project management tasks, allowing you to streamline workflows, save time, and boost productivity by integrating these two powerful tools. Let's dive right in and begin by setting up your credentials. First, you'll need to open N8N, which is a versatile open-source workflow automation tool that lets you connect different applications and automate tasks. Once you're in, head over to the Credentials section. You will find this option in the main menu, and it is where you need to go to manage and create any new connected application credentials. Click on it, and then select Create New. From the listed options, choose Jira Software, since that is the specific integration we're looking to establish today. Now, moving on, it's time to input your Jira site domain. This will typically look something like yourdomain@Atlassian.net. Make sure that you're entering the correct domain information here, as accuracy is critical for a successful connection. If you're unsure about this step, you can easily find your Jira domain by checking the URL in your Jira instance. Once you've confirmed your domain address, go ahead and enter it into the designated field. Next, we need to select an authentication method. Here, you have a couple of choices. The recommended method, particularly if you're using Jira Cloud, is to use an API token. This method provides a higher level of security and is generally more straightforward to manage. However, if for some reason the API token is not an option for you, there is an alternative. You can use your username and password. Keep in mind, though, while this second option is available, it is considered less secure than using an API token, so proceed with caution if opting for this route. After you've entered the necessary authentication details, the next crucial task is to save your credentials. This ensures that all the values you've entered are securely stored and ready for use within N8N. Once saved, you'll want to test the connection during node setup to ensure everything is working correctly. This test is essential because it verifies that the link between Jira and N8N is functioning as expected, which is key to ensuring your workflows will run smoothly. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully connected Jira to N8N. This integration opens up a world of automation possibilities, making it much easier to manage your projects and tasks without the hassle of manual updates. As you start using this setup, keep exploring and expanding your workflows to maximize efficiency. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.